Use discount code JACOBVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Woo.
Oh, nice. I remember this.
Yeah. More power this year.
Okay.
Yeah. More mids. I got 4/8 in the console. 4 6.5s in the door. 1-inch domes in the front. 5 1/4 behind my head. Okay. And 6 SA15s.
Essays.
Yeah.
What's the specs of the box?
3-to-1 ratio.
Tuning?
Tuning 32 hertz.
32 hertz. All right.
32,
Awesome. Yeah, man, I'd like to hear it. Sure. I appreciate you grabbing me. This looks sick, dude. I love this splatter box design you got here. What was your name?
Ron Jr.
Ron. All right.
Yeah. Team Big Bass.
Team Big Bass.
See if I can find myself.
Yes, sir.
funeral is here. You want to shut down for a little bit.
What now?
The funeral is here if you want to shut down for a little bit.
All
I'll
right.
make an announcement so everybody can start playing again.
Okay.
Thank you.
Awesome, man. I appreciate the demo, funeral shutdown, but hey, we got to get to hear it.
Yeah.
Video justice. Appreciate it, man.
No problem.
Can I check out the amp in the back too at all?
Yeah.
All right. Did you build this?
No, remember I bought.
That's right. That's right.
Yeah.
Okay. Yep.
Well, we've been building on to it though. Like I said, we just built a console.
Just add to it and tweak and.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Fun project. Heck yeah. Yeah. I'll let you get it. Go check the amp.
I already got video.
Oh yeah. Before, was it a Scar 1500? I remember it. Yes. Awesome. Are these Group 34s? Group. Okay. All right, nice to meet you and appreciate you grabbing, man.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.